Welcome student. So in our first video we completed the first part of our story A Secret for Two. So what you learn about the story, that here is our main character is Joseph the horse and Pierre Dupas, and they are delivering milk for last 15 years together, and they are sharing a kind of bond that is precious. So let us begin with the second part. So last day we stopped here, and today we will begin our story from here. Pierre could neither read nor write. So instead of leaving the usual note in an empty bottle, if an additional quart of milk was needed, the cook should sing out, "Bring an extra quarter this morning, Pierre." So Pierre couldn't read or write. He was unable to read and write. So instead of leaving usual note in the bottles for asking extra milk, cook would sing out. Cook would say Pierre that bring an extra quart of milk this morning, Pierre. So they used to inform Pierre verbally. However, Pierre had a remarkable memory. But Pierre has got a remarkable memory. He would always remember to tell Jake, "The Pequins took an extra quart this morning. The Limonis bought a pint of cream." So these are families, these are surnames, the Pequins, the Limoins. So Pierre used to tell that they have taken an extra quart of milk this morning, or another family has taken a pint of cream. Jake could note these things in a little book he always carried. So Jake used to take a note of these things in a notebook that he used to carry. All Pierre had to do was to arrive at 5 in the morning, walk to his wagon, which was always in the same spot at the curb, and deliver his milk. So the routine for Pierre was every morning to come at 5 o'clock, and which was 5 o'clock, walk to his wagon. He has to walk to his wagon, his cart, milk cart, which was always in the same spot in the curb. What is the meaning of the word curb? Curb means pavement or footpath, and deliver his milk. He returned some 2 hours later. So he used to return 2 hours later, got down stiffly from his seat, and get down from the seat stiffly, called the cherry and to Jake's au revoir, and then limped slowly down the street. So au revoir means goodbye. By saying Jake goodbye, he used to go down to the street, and limp down slowly means as he was old, he was not able to walk properly without the help of a stick. One morning, the president of the provincial milk company came to inspect early morning deliveries. So one morning what happened? The chief president of provincial milk company came to inspect the early morning deliveries, whether they are delivering milk properly or not. Okay. Jake pointed Pierre out to him and said, so Jake pointed out Pierre to him and said, "Watch how he talks to the horse." So Jake pointing out Pierre to the president said that, "Look how he talks to the horse. See how the horse listens and how he turns its head towards Pierre." So Jake is telling them that, can you see how Pierre talks to the horse, and in a similar way the horse look at him and he responds to him. I think that horse. See, I think those two share a secret. So Jake is telling the president that he thinks that Pierre and the horse share a kind of secret. Pierre is a good man, Monsieur President. So he is saying that Mr. President, Pierre is a good man, but he is old. Perhaps he could be retired with a small pension, he added anxiously. So the foreman was a good man. He knew Pierre for so many years, and he knew that Pierre was a good man and he was good with his works too. He was very punctual and he was good with everything. So he was asking the president that couldn't Pierre be retired with small amount of pension? What is the meaning of retired? Here it is mentioned. Retired means to leave a job, especially at an old age. So what is the meaning of pension? Pension is an amount of money that one get after retirement for every month. Amount of money that pension means the amount of money that a company pays to its employer after retirement. Now the president is saying, but of course the president agreed, and the president agreed. I know his record. Tell him it is time he rested. His salary will go on just the same. President was also a good man and he knew Pierre, and he is telling that I know his record. Tell him it is the time he rested. So tell him that it is the time he must take rest. He must take a leave from his job. But his salary will go on just the same. He will be paid by the company just as he is paid now. But Pierre was panic stricken at the thought of not driving Joseph every day. But after listening that, Pierre was panic stricken. What is the meaning of? He felt a kind of panic attack. Not by the thought of losing his job, but by the thought of that he will not be driving Joseph every day. We are two old men. So we are two old men. Pierre is now referring to him and Joseph. He said to Jake, let us wear out together. Let us be unworthy together. Let us take a leave together. When Joseph is ready to retire, then I too will quit. So Pierre says that when Joseph will be ready to retire, I will quit too. I will leave the job too. Jake understood, and Jake understood. He knew that each drew some hidden strength from the other. So Jake knew that every kind of being, every animal, every human being drew a kind of hidden strength, a kind of strength that is not known to everyone, but it is a kind of bond that they share. It is a kind of strength that they drew from each other. When Pierre and Joseph were traveling together, neither seemed old. But when Pierre and Joseph used to travel together, or when they traveled together, none of them seemed old. No one can say that they are old. But when they finished their work, Pierre would limp down the street slowly, and the horse's head would drop, and he would walk wearily to his stall. So after leaving each other, both of them looked weary and old. Then one chilly morning, Jake had dreadful news for Pierre. Then one bad chilly morning, not fine, sorry. One morning, Jake had a dreadful news for Pierre. Dreadful meaning something that is devastating, something that is very bad. Pierre, Joseph didn't wake up this morning. What news he had? That his horse didn't wake up this morning. He has died. He was 25. That is like being 75 for a man. He, being a horse, he was 25, and that is like 75 for a man. Yes, Pierre accepted slowly. I am 70 and I cannot see Joseph again. So he was heartbroken, and he said, yes, I am 70 and it it is a curse. It is the most painful thing in my life that I cannot see Joseph again. Jake clapped him on the shoulder. We'll find another horse just as good as Joseph. We will. And he stopped. Jake patted Pierre's shoulder and said that we'll find another good horse just as Joseph, and we will. He was stopped. Why he was stopped? He stopped. For years, Pierre had worn a heavy cap which came low over his eyes. Pierre, as you can see, he used to wear this kind of drooping hat that used to came over his eyes. Now Jake looked into Pierre's eyes and was startled. He was shocked. He was kind of shocked seeing Pierre's eye. There was a dead, lifeless look in them. The eyes mirrored the grief in Pierre's heart and his soul. Okay, so this is a common proverb that refers to, here it is written, this refers to the proverb, the eyes are the mirror to the soul. Your eyes explains who you are within. Okay, so Pierre's eyes express the grief of his heart and soul when he learned that Joseph is no more. Take today off, Pierre, Jake advised. So Jake advised Pierre, take today off. But Pierre was already hobbling off down the street. Pierre was already down the street. Tears streamed down his cheeks. Tears were falling down, rolling down from his cheeks. Pierre walked to the corner and stepped into the street. He walked to the corner and stepped into the street. There was a warning shout from the driver of a huge truck. There was a warning sign from the driver of a huge truck, and the scream of a brake. And there was the scream of the brake. But Pierre heard neither. Not the shout, not the screaming sound of the brake. Few minutes later, an ambulance driver said. Few minutes later, and the ambulance came. There was an accident. Ambulance came. He is dead. He was killed instantly. So Pierre too died there and then on the spot. Jake and several of the milk wagon drivers had arrived, and they looked down at the still figure. They were looking at the body of Pierre. I couldn't help it. The driver of the truck protested, protecting himself forcefully. He was saying that I couldn't help it. I couldn't stop the I couldn't stop the truck or saved his life. He walked right into my truck as though he were blind. And the driver said he walked right in front of my truck as if he were blind. Then the doctor bent down. The ambulance doctor bent down. Of course, the man was blind. What did he say? That of course the man was blind. See those cataracts? So the driver said, don't you see those cataracts? What is the meaning of cataracts? Cataracts are the layers over the eyes which stops a person from seeing properly. Okay, so cataracts refer to a kind of layer over eyes that stops a person from seeing properly. He turned to Jack. He has been blind for 5 years. So children, Pierre was really blind for last 5 years, but he was delivering his deliveries every morning with the help of Joseph. He turned to Jack. Didn't you know that he was blind? So he turned to Joseph and inquired that didn't you guys know that Pierre was blind? No, Jack said softly. None of us knew. Only one knew. So Jack said, no, none of us, the driver, none of the employee of the company knew. But only one knew. A friend of his named Joseph. A friend of his whose name was Joseph, he knew. It was a secret, I think, just between those two. So what the significance of the naming of this entire story comes to an end. So it was a secret. What was the secret? That Pierre was blind and Joseph was smoothly driving, taking Pierre to those houses to deliver milk. And the secret was Pierre was blind. It was known only to Joseph. I think it was a secret, I think, just between those two. So here we end the lovely short story of bond, loyalty and love, and the secret between Joseph and Pierre. Hope you guys enjoyed the entire prose. We'll do the question and answer in our online classes, and as well as I will provide you guys the short study materials over Google Classroom. Stay safe. Bye bye guys.